Tag templates are a combination of your custom and UTM parameters, and they make it super easy for you to build links correctly every single time without needing to memorize tag combinations. You'll notice we offer two kinds of templates, but we recommend going for the drag and drop templates, which you use in our drag and drop or spreadsheet builder, as they can also be useful in many of our integrations. For these templates, you start by choosing your source and medium, either combine as a channel tag or as separate source and medium tags. Then you can add values for your other tags as it suits you. Once you've built your template to your liking, you can save it, name it, and use it right away without having to wait. The best part about these templates is that you can sort them into folders, which is especially useful if you have a lot of them. Once you organize your templates to your liking, you won't have to scroll through pages worth of templates, meaning you can tag links faster than ever. Happy tracking, everyone!